Hello, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Jordan Starks, and this is vlog number 1. I've decided to take this course because I wanted to learn my way around a computer more than I do now. As for the question of the week, is this what I want to be doing? The answer is both yes and no. I love my current profession, but I'm only proficient at it, given I've only been doing it for a few months, but I just wanted to find something that I can excel at, and college is the one thing I can think of that gives out so many options and little repercussions. Maybe I just need the right training in my current field, but it requires a lot of work and dedication. So at the moment, this isn't what I want to be doing, but it's the only way I can get into a position where I want to be. I believe I can speak for the majority of the people when I say nobody likes schoolwork, but everyone loves to learn. So, needless to say, I want to stay on the current track, but my wants are going to be changing on a regular basis as I gain more knowledge.